Good evening, everybody. My name is Samuel Okoye-Ocha. I'm reaching you from Biafra, West Africa, right from my village, Obu, in Anambra State. Time now is 4:58 p.m. Biafran time in West Africa. So I want to bring you Elliott wave analysis as usual, as I always do every weekend and sometimes midweek. Now, let's start. This is DXY. DXY, for a long time, you have been seeing this very pole. I've always said that the target is 94, 95, or this very level. Now, in my opinion, the fourth wave is over. So what we do, we keep watching how price develops. This very candle is a sign of bullish move. So when market opens, we will know whether the bullish move will continue or not. For now, what happens tomorrow, when market opens, will determine if we are having this or we may still have something like this. In my opinion, I think we're going to have this, but it's too early to finalize. Okay, let's look at 1 hour chart. In 1 hour chart, you can see this very move is strong. So likely we get 1, 2, 3, that is ABC. And this will be 1, this will be 2, then 3, 4, 5, and so on. So hopefully they move to the to complete the fifth wave of the correction have started. Okay. EURUSD, the daily chart, this is what I expect will happen in overall anyway. Okay, this is wave B, and wave B will likely give us an DXY. So we watch lower time frame to know if our assumption is correct or not. So 4 hours is showing that we are getting this. So, but 1 hour will tell us more. We have this candle. This move is sharp. So on 1 hour, we will know whether it will give us more downside or it will give us something like this and go up. So let's check 1 hour. One thing about this weekend is that we will have to be patient. Maybe I may not trade on Monday, so that I will know what shape the market is taking. Maybe by Tuesday I'll begin to take positions. Now you can see that this move is strong. So, and I have seen when such move was reversed, but to be on the safe side, this is what I think will happen. One more drop before this. So, but now, as I said, it's still too early to make such assumption. But for now, you better stay away from this trade unless you know how to trade it. There's maybe after Monday, by Tuesday, we will know what is actually happening on that. Okay. USDJPY. In my opinion, here is also the end of the. Of course, this is an ending diagonal. We all saw that during the weekend. I think midweek review, I pointed out that we are now going up. Our market is going up. So I have no other opinion that the market is going up. Even if we see another drop, yet it will be a time to buy again. So it's going up already. Okay. So for those, if you have closed your position, then try look for another buy setup on 1 hour time frame, and this is 1 hour time frame, and likely I see this as an impulse. This as ABC. If market just let the market close below this level. Then I will find buy setup from here. Then I will buy again. Okay. What next? AUD. AUD. It has come to our blue box because I told you what I'm expecting is a running flat. I mean, that is after this impulse, A, B, C. Even if it break this line, I'm still looking for a running flat. I mean, this is assumed to be A, this assumed to be B, and the B have closed above the start of wave A, and wave C we likely not close below the end of wave A. So that's why I'm looking at running flat, whether it ended here before going up or it break it before going up, it is a running flat. And that's the only thing I'm looking at. So when market begins to correct, I will watch whether it will break here or not. So I'm looking for buy. That's what I'm trying to say in all. So the 1 hour chart, just the same. There's no difference between 1 hour chart and daily chart. So I keep watching what happens, how the market comes to this level matters. How it comes to this level matters. If it comes with a speed, then we may have something like this. But if it came like this, then this is sure. Okay. So two things I'm looking at. What in anyway, but in two different styles. So I'm looking for buy. The selling will be a pullback. This is New Zealand. New Zealand. I assume this is A, B, C, D, E. So this is a triangle, and it remains a triangle for me unless this very move keeps going up and close above this. But if it could not close above this, I will look for sell. I'll sell from there downwards. Though the shape is not so fantastic, but that's what only thing I see there is triangle, and the direction is selling. So this is 1 hour chart of it. So if this move continues bigger, this is like a pin bar, though formed where pin bar is not expected anyway. So, but we keep watching how it goes, whether we come back from here or we get this and keep going up. So as I said, this also it's too early to conclude what is going to happen. But all I know is that I cannot buy this from here. I can only look for sell setup. With this structure, with the structure I'm looking at, I'm looking for sell setup. So I'm not looking for buy on this. That's the message I have for you on this one. EURJPY did one of the unexpected. I never expected this type of movement. In my opinion, I think the market will end either here or here, but you see, it's still going down. I don't know if we get this and go down once more. So for now, I can only watch to know what I will observe in our time frame. So let's go to 4 hours and 1 hour to see what we likely get. So as I said, on these 4 hours suggest we have a kind of, this to me is now an impulse. So something like this is what I'm looking for. If I get that one more drop, maybe around this area, then maybe this very down move may likely stop from here. Then the buying will take place. So of course, to sell it is also good, but I need to see a corrective pattern before I sell. I will not just jump and sell because it's going down. And remember, it's been going down for a long time. So the journey might end when you don't expect. It has gone below where I thought it will reverse and still going down. So this is the 1 hour chart, and you can see this channel. How long will it remain here? Will it do this again, do this again, do this again, do this again? I don't know. But for now, let's keep watching. If here is the end, if here is, you see how many candles that have been rejected, but it doesn't matter. You see here, 2 was rejected, yet it went down. Here, 2, yet it went down. So the EURJPY, I can't understand. Anyway, CHF is too strong these days, so let us be watching how it will go. Okay, so let's now move to Euro New Zealand. Am I correct? Okay, EURCAD. EURCAD, I am expecting a further drop. This is what I'm looking at, but it's yet to complete. So I'm looking for a drop towards this level. A drop towards this level is what I'm looking at. When I get a drop, I look for buy, maybe towards this place before selling again. EURJPY. EURJPY finally is going up. I opened a position on this pair, but it keeps trying to. Anyway, finally, it couldn't. My stop loss was just somewhere here. I was thinking it will clash it and go up, but I thank God it didn't happen. Now it's going up. So maybe you check for 3 waves pullback and buy. So I already have an open position. I would like to add if price give me a kind of corrective move. So okay, this is 1 hour chart. It's gradually picking up. So watch when market opens. I don't know what we will see. Maybe market might open. We see the price here, or the price will do this. In any case, if you don't know what is corrective move, maybe you need to contact us and join our class. But if I get a corrective move, I'll add another position because it has been going down for a long time. So I expect that it will come to this 85.90, 8600 before the selling will resume. USD card. USD card. This is an ABC move. Okay, ABC. So to me, the wave C is not yet over. The move is still too low to be all the wave C we have. So, but we're getting a pullback. The pullback might delay the move. Maybe we may have something like this before it drops finally. But the buying, I will not, because to me, whenever we have an incomplete sequence, I don't like to trade the opposite direction. So this is the 1 hour chart. In my assumption, we're going to have a kind of A, B, C, then complete, then going down. So I watch what will happen between this place and this place. Then it will determine whether I will sell. And then for me to buy, I would like to see the price move very sharp. They give me a correction, then I will buy. For now, I'm looking for sell. I closed my sell setup when this candle happened. I opened it up here. When this candle happened, I closed this because I know it may happen this again. If it happens again, I will sell from here. But then if it keeps going down, I will sell below this place. Okay. USD JPY. USDJPY. Yes, I'm still looking for a drop, but maybe it's gonna buy for some time before the selling completes. The sequence is still incomplete. Okay, this, and I see after the pullback yesterday, we see the price is now showing signs of down move. This move is strong enough to be the beginning. So maybe we may get A, B, C, then price will drop. So in any case, I'm looking for sell. That's the message I'm trying to give you. Still looking for sell. The selling to me is not yet over unless I get a strong move that breaks this. Even if it breaks this, it might come to this level, and yet it will still go down. Yeah, so keep watching. USDCHF, I'm only looking for buy on this because it's a completed the move, the pullback, the correction A, B, C have been completed. You see our blue box, it's even go beyond our blue box. So to me, it's completed. Any other reason for selling, maybe it will manifest during the week, but for now, selling. Okay, then this is 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Once the market goes above this level, I will open a buy position because two things is expected. This will happen or this will happen. If this will happen before it begins to happen, I will close my open position. Okay, but I don't expect this. What I really expect is this: that this move is wave 1. This move is wave 1. Then here is wave 2. But it's still too early to assume. Let markets open first. We watch it to know what is happening. USDZA, you can see it's going down. Here is our blue balls. It's going down. So maybe a pullback. I expect it to come to 1420, 1430 area. There's where I'm expecting it will at least come before it begins to buy again. Okay. Yes, this okay. The 1 hour chart. It may not come to this blue box again because of this sharp drop. Because of this sharp drop, it may not come to this blue box. But here is the normal target for the correction. But sometimes it will truncate, so you may get this, and dropping continues. Okay. AUDUSD. AUDUSD. To me, the pullback is not yet over. So I'm still looking for the price to drop further before the buying will start. But one thing I noticed that when the buy starts, it will be a swift buy. Okay, so the same chart. So see the 1 hour chart. This move is strong enough. This move is strong enough to give us A, B, C. Then this drop we are looking at. What we're looking at is a deep drop and a shallow drop. Whether this level or this level, I'm looking for selling. But before that, let us get correction. Whether this or this. Let's get correction first. And I would like to trade it. If the correct pattern is okay for me, I will trade it because it may even extend and go deeper. Okay, so that's what we have for this very AUDUSD. Good. But I will start with gold. Let me do something right now. I will start with gold. There will be a part 2. I'll start with the gold. I want to end this thing and do something urgent.